them. But we had talked on the phone because I was asking you about emailing. And I think there's a huge
Oh,
power of having a great email to reach out to people. So what do you do? What is your like key emailing tips?
Well, first, like, again, Google.
Giving away all your secrets.
Google how to write. Like, I Google everything. That is, like, my secret. I literally Google, like literally look at, like, the best email I ever got, or, like, how to email a person for, like, a lead, or, like, just type in those keywords and put your own voice to it. Like, my personal voice is kind of being a little bit more informal, which doesn't work for everyone, but it works for me. Another tip is, like, in your Gmail, have, like, a photo of yourself so people can see you.
Wow.
Also, like, find the person on LinkedIn. This is where my reporter stuff comes in. Find them on Twitter. Kind of pop up around so they see you. And if they don't answer, like, follow up, like, once a week, but, like, nicely, not, like, stalker-y. Like, the perfect...
Creepy.
The perfect non-creepy follow-up is to say something like, hi, I'm just checking in. I reached out to you last week. Like, I know you're really busy, but let me know if you saw this or if you're interested, or let me know if you're, like, not. And so and then put at the end, that way I don't have to keep emailing you. Otherwise, I'll check back in next week.
Oh, that's great.
And then they're like, oh, no, I don't want this person to check back in. So if they
answer you, yeah.
So then they'll still have a response, which is good because that's, like, building a friendship and a rapport, which could last for the future. Or they say, oh, yeah, I've just been, like, really busy, and they, like, forward you to the right person. Like, 9 out of 10 times, like.
That's great.
That's genius. And now subjects, because we talked about this on the phone too.
I love that stuff too.
How do you come up with a good subject that people are going to open?
I usually have, like, the first sentence be, like, time sensitive or, like, important. And that way people see it, and you just, like, do something really short. Like,
do you do caps, or is it, like,
I
all
usually
caps?
do time sensitive or important in, like,
all caps.
Capital. That's if I'm trying to get a sponsor or I want someone to answer my email. If I'm doing, like, an event or something where I want someone to come to something, then I'll write, like, VIP or something, like VIP invite. Something you see and you're like, oh, this is cool, or oh, this is time sensitive. I need to, like, read it now. Things like that are really easy that will stand out in someone's feed versus, like, the other emails that they get.
She can probably get into any party in LA.
Yeah, you're good.
It was my job. That's
pretty cool.
So when you worked at PR, what were some of the things as a PR person you would do for either, did you work with celebrities or brands, or who would you work with mainly?
I actually was working at a PR firm called Rogers & Cowan, so they wrap,
that's the biggest,
that's,
right?
like, the biggest one. They do, like, the Grammys. They rep, like, Elton John and Britney Spears. My department actually was the lifestyle and technology department, so we did, like, Tinder and all of that sort of stuff. And what we did there, actually, it's not as glamorous as it, like, sounds. Literally, there's, like, this program where you can find people's emails, and you download, like, 5,000 emails. Like, this is how you get things to happen. And then you have to, like, mass email, like, 5,000 people a day and, like, follow up until someone responds to you. So that's usually... I was working to get, like, press and stuff, and also influencer relations, which was easier because
you knew people.
I knew press people too because I was a reporter, but not in the tech world. I was a reporter in the celebrity gossip entertainment world, so it was a little bit harder because it's not the same industry. So with that, you kind of have to just keep going and, like, stalking people, and that's really what it takes. Like, those big businesses just hire people to send thousands of emails until they get, like, a
doesn't, like, everybody open their mail? And everybody opens their email, right? I mean, everybody reads their email. Man, we get a lot of spam, but for the most part, with the time sensitive and VIP people, we're going to read them, right?
Yeah, exactly. If you write things like that and then you follow up, most people won't follow up. There's also a thing called Boomerang. Do you guys use Boomerang?
Like on Instagram, Boomerang?
No, there's a thing called Boomerang for emails, so you can, like, schedule your emails, then you can also write for them. Like, there's, like, a button you can click that says, like, appear at the top of the feed of the email. So it's, like, appear at the top in, like, 2 weeks. So, like, say yours, like, falls to the bottom. So if it's not read, it will go back to their top. Like, you send it again automatically, and then you don't have to, like...
Where is that? Where do I get this?
You just
Boomerang?
Google, like, Boomerang.
Google?
And it's free. I mean, they want you to, like, pay for it. Like, sorry, Boomerang. But if you, like... After you use up the amount of people you can send emails to, if you just, like, tweet it, they'll, like, give you it for free again.
Oh, wow.
So just keep tweeting to use Boomerang.